What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a long day, but it's like 11 o'clock right now. I just got home from working, and the Mustang is finally headed over to Misa's to get wrapped. So I've got to pull a few things off to make it easier for him once the car gets to his shop. So got to take off good old parachute. And I am getting a new hood. My buddy Nick is hooking me up with a hood. It's got some hail damage on it, so I'm going to get the hail damage fixed on it before we wrap that hood. So probably what I'll do is just have Misa wrap this hood black for now. And then once the other hood gets fixed, I'll have Misa wrap it in the color that we're wrapping the Mustang. So no one's really seen the actual color I'm wrapping the Mustang. It's been in the back of a few videos, but it was kind of hard to see the exact color. So I'm pretty excited to finally change it up a little bit. I really do love the Orange Fury on these cars, but the paint's starting to get like beat up from being on the trailer and just from racing it. It's starting to get like a few rock chips here and there. So I really want to preserve the paint. Plus, I like the orange. I just wish, I don't want to clear bra the whole thing because clear brawing is freaking insanely expensive. And I kind of do want to switch it up for a little bit. So that's the good thing about vinyl wrap is it's not crazy expensive. To do a whole entire car, and then you can just pull it off if you want to change the color, and it protects your paint in the meantime. So I've got to get that off, and then when we get the bumper, when I get the bumper to Misa's, I'll have to take off these little push buttons I have so he can wrap nice and neatly behind those. I really wanted to get a new front bumper because it's not in the best shape, but it's going to have to do for now. I really don't want to replace the bumper at this moment because I already got to replace the hood. But yeah, it's 11 o'clock. I have to be up at like 4:50 a.m. So I'm going to try and get the parachute off real quick. And that way, in between clients tomorrow, I can run the car over to Misa's. He already picked up the wrap. It's over at his shop already. So I'm going to try and get the parachute off real quick and try not spend too much time on it. And then that way I can come grab the car real quick in between clients tomorrow, run it over to Misa's, and then get back to work. So let's get this parachute off. Now that's a street car if I've ever seen one. Damn! I haven't seen this car in a long time without the parachute. Looks very street car. It looks really good without the parachute. I mean, don't get me wrong. It looks really cool with the parachute, but it looks pretty cool without it. Minus the super nice hole that Streetcar Joe cut in my bumper, which is actually the best fitting hole on this car. Funny story, I cut a hole in Joe's bumper for his parachute, and it did not turn out that good. Shout out Streetcar Joe. But yeah, got the parachute off. Got to pull a few other things off, but like I said, pretty much, I think I'm going to have Misa wrap this hood black for the meantime, because I don't know how long it's going to take me to get the other hood fixed, and then to actually reroute the exhaust down and under the car. So I think I'm just going to wrap the hood black for now, and then once we get the hood fixed and fix the exhaust so it goes down past the firewall, I think then I will decide if I'm going to wrap it the same color that I'm wrapping the Mustang, or if I'm going to actually just keep it black. But I think for the meantime, so that I can drive it around and it doesn't look goofy, we'll just get the hood wrapped black. But I'll see you guys tomorrow over at Misa's shop. That streetcar shit going on right now. Oh yeah. Oh, you know, just some typical streetcar shit on a Thursday. So we're headed over to Misa's shop right now. Luckily it's pretty cool out, so the car's running pretty good. Misa's shop's like 10-15 minute drive, so it's not too bad. But see you guys when we get there. I'm real excited to wrap the car, man. It's been a long time coming. But we're finally there. Look at my car all torn apart. Shout out Misa. This thing's gonna fall apart down the track. So.
No, it fucking isn't.
Yeah, it is.
It isn't because I know where all the screws are.
Look at this.
Stop, you're gonna scratch.
I don't know what this guy did with my car, but. So we're gonna show you guys here in a second a little sneak peek of the wrap. It's gonna look good. So Misa, you gonna do the trunk real quick?
You know what's funny is I'm gonna just grab a big old piece and wrap it from the front all the way around the
Damn, she's all torn apart, but she's in good hands. Illustrious Auto Styling. All right, guys, there's the color. Look at that.
What are they looking at? Black fucking.
It is black and white, but you guys can see the color. You just don't know what color it is. Oh man, I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna look sick. It's gonna be. Whoa! Look at that color. Damn!
I can't wait to accidentally leak her fucking.
You're not. Damn, that's sick. So once this is all done, Travis is actually gonna paint correct it and coat it. Oh man, it's gonna look so sick. Woo! Just look at the color, guys. What do you think?
Get that on camera.
Good morning, Kennedy.
Good morning, David.
How's it going? What are you doing?
I'm balancing. Ready for
What do you think of the wrap? Oh, you haven't seen it in
I haven't
person.
seen it in person, but I just saw a little sneak peek.
So, sneak peek. What do you think of the color?
I love it.
What color is it?
I can't say.
Ah, she passed the test. Because I was over there filming earlier the other day, and I put in black and white, so they can't see the color yet.
Gosh.
And Misa is sworn to secrecy. He's not allowed to show the color either. So,
All black and white.
yep. So we're gonna reveal the color here in the next couple days once the car's actually done.
Hey, y'all should comment down below what color.
Yeah, you guys gotta guess. It's been in previous videos, like the roll was behind the car.
Don't tell them that. 'Cause then they're
You
gonna
can't
go
see it
back
though.
to
Like
the
it has
videos.
a clear wrap on it. You can kind of see a hint of it, but you don't know exactly what it is. But it is in there. Cupcake, what are you doing?
Trying to catch the flies.
She does. She's a fly catcher. What are you doing? Hey.
Get him, Captain.
Yeah, okay. So I know you guys really want to see the color, and someone's probably going to guess it below, but in the next few days the car should be done. I've got to get some stickers made that actually match the wrap because I took all the stickers off of the car, and all the companies that support, we're going to get those stickers remade to actually match the wrap this time, so everything looks super nice and cohesive. It's going to look super clean. I'm really excited to see what it looks like when it's done, but Misa's doing a killer job. We're going to go over there probably later today and check on it. And pretty much what I'm going to do is I did have him wrap the hood. He said there's enough to wrap 2 hoods. So I had him wrap this hood, and then I have another hood coming that's just another factory hood from my buddy Nick. And so we're going to get it's got some hail damage. So I'm going to get the hail damage fixed on that and then have Misa wrap that one. And then we'll get it over to Streetcar Joe's place and get the exhaust made. But I think that's going to be within the next week or two because I want to get the wrap done, take some pictures of it. I don't want to go freaking racing. It's still kind of hot out, but honestly, it's already started to cool down. The other morning when I went to work, it was like 60 degrees. So it's starting to cool down. And this weekend, the 8th at Wichita Falls, there's like a small little streetcar, small tire, and a big tire shootout, I think. So I think we're going to hit that. It's just a 8th mile track. We've been there before. That's actually the first place I took my car out racing when we got the Turbo 400 done. As the first place I took the car to make some 60-foot hits. So we're going to go back there. It's nice because it's real close. It's only like, I think it's only like 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours. But it's super close compared to going to like Dallas and other places. But it's close. It's convenient. Hopefully it's not too hot. It's just an 8th mile track, so no quarter-mile times. But we can get working on the 60-foot and working on some 8th mile times because we just got the transmission back in a couple weeks ago. And I haven't really ran the car since. I've driven it around. Just made sure everything's working good. So I got to get the CO2 filled up this week. I fixed a few leaks that were still happening. The car will be wrapped, and so we can just mess with some suspension stuff, mess with some boost ramps, and Kennedy can get some sick photos of the Tang Stang with its new wrap, which I'm so excited to show you guys. So hopefully there'll be a video, not Tuesday, but I bet Thursday, because I think he said it'll be done Monday or Tuesday. So hopefully we'll put out a video on Thursday or maybe next weekend of the actual reveal of the wrap. I'm really excited though. I can't wait to show you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys are excited as I am to see the new Tang Stang 2.0. And I don't care what color it is, if it's red, green, purple, blue, black, yellow, silver,
Still gonna
iconic
gap you.
silver. What? No, I was going to say I'm still going to call it the Tang Stang. I don't care what color it is. I'm still calling it the Tang Stang. I don't care what color it is. It is the original Tang Stang. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys are excited as me to see the wrap done. You're going to close it out?
Sure.
And we'll see you guys
On the next one.
Dang, it took you forever.